1 Peter verse 4 chapter 8. Above all, keep loving one another earnestly, since love covers a multitude of sins. The things we did during the Silo 4 are to make a copy of Jesus and my life digital journal and the story about baptism, like where it happened and such. We also did a podcast about it, what it means to follow Jesus, and we also had a mastery quiz for my reflection on Silo 4 is about the story of my baptism. I get to hear the story of my baptism since I have no memory of it since I'm only 3 months old at the time. So it's good to have the memory about one of my special days, especially that it's the time when the original sin is being removed and restoring my relationship with God once again.